I really thought I left tight situations like this behind when I left airplanes. Apparently not. Alright, welcome back everybody. We are once again working on broken machines. We got the Case Uniloader 1835 Charlie in the garage. So we got a couple of problems. One, the glow plug isn't working, so glow plugs, so things cold-blooded, she won't start at all. Two, we've got a pretty substantial oil leak, which appears to be from our hoses that are just running around all willy-nilly down there. You can see, well, you can't really see, but I got a hose that I'm pretty sure is rubbed through. And now that is what the leak is from. So we have to start pulling hoses, make a giant mess, and then go see if any of the hoses work. So yeah, we are still cleaning up and organizing into the garage, obviously, because, you know, combining 20 years and 40 years of crap into different locations has been what we've been up to for that. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna get to work on this today. Dave's going over to get the caps and plugs so we can do that. Start pulling some hoses. We'll get some hoses pressure checked as we go. So that's all we're gonna do today. I'll turn on the camera as we're going and give you guys some, you know, as I see cool things or anything important happens with that, and then I'll make a video out of this. So I'll see you guys as we go. I feel like I'm at some sort of zoo exhibit. You're like in a cage.
I think I might have fucking broke it.
Did you? Hell yeah. She's spinning.
I'm not sure. I might. It's so greasy.
Greasy.
Ah, shit.
No.
Wrong part.
Did you break that one loose?
No way.
Because if you did, don't forget we need to tighten that. That'll be a big problem later. Where do you see the pile of leaking?
Or maybe that was shipped home.
Oh, that's from before, but I'll add to it.
I just have to see it drifting.
Yeah. That is a nice thing. The sawdust does a good job with the oil.
It'll even take the dirty oil,
yeah,
and make it fairly clean again.
Yeah. So there's a guy I watch, Fab Rats, that uses sawdust for all of his messes, and I was just like, huh, okay.
Now the drawback to it is that it ignites.
Yeah.
It's really gonna burn.
So what's up? You back on the right one, or is it loose, or?
No, it's not loose.
You got my hopes all up?
Yeah, I got your hopes up.
Playing with my emotions. Are you on it?
Ah!
Or is it a funny angle?
Dude, it's a fucked angle.
Yeah.
Especially because I gotta go underneath the other one that I got off.
Yeah.
God, I got so much shit.
I really thought I left tight situations like this behind when I left airplanes. Apparently not. Say what now?
There's 4 holes in each of those rims. Square holes.
Yep.
What is that for?
Fuck if I know. Probably some sort of alignment or something that's added onto it, or
Tracks.
I have no idea.
This thing has a chain track.
Yeah, that'll go and tie the two together. I thought you had individual motors for each wheel, but it's only one motor per side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I was unaware of that. What's up? Did you get it?
No. If I did, I'd be letting out a yell.
Oh, okay. Use the pry bar.
I can't get a good spot.
I can see it from here.
Yeah, but
Go off the drive shaft.
I end up hitting that thing.
No, come from my side. Yep, perfect. Just like that. Flip it.
Okay.
And send that motherfucker back. There you go.
That worked real well.
I can't see what's happening because your hand is in
See
place.
this?
Oh, you're hitting that. All right, go on the other side of that like we did on the other side. Remember?
Oh, god damn it.
Because that's what we did on the other side, remember? You had to go on the other side of that bar.
But then I don't have enough.
You sure? Yeah, it's a shit spot. So yeah, the hoses are kicking our asses at the moment. Well, mainly his, because I haven't gotten in there. He's doing all the hard work.
I think I might just remove this bitch. This
You can.
rod, take the bolt off that side, pull that thing out, and that'll give me enough room to hopefully.
Hopefully. All right, so we're gonna pull some other stuff apart and see where we get, but we're just taking hoses off at this point. All right, so we got the hoses out, and we got tons of issues here. Both sides of the hoses are messed up, but we are burst through in multiple places, and almost like on fire over here. Wow. So this thing was on fire a long time ago, and they supposedly replaced all of the hoses, and as you can see right there, that hose didn't get replaced, so you'll have to tell him that. He's gonna love that. All right, so I look like this because that the first hose just kicked my ass. I got him in here putting the second one in now. You can't really see anything because it is a total shit show.
I'm gonna need to do the rope again.
Do the rope trick?
Yep.
So we have to feed a piece of rope through and pull the lines through where they need to go. It's been real fun. Real fun. But we got 2 new lines made. One line is hooked up. He's putting the rope around it now. Try and feed it where it needs to go. I don't remember if this is the longer or the shorter one either. But as you can see, it's really no fun. We ended up putting our big creeper up here on the front of the machine here. You can kind of see.
Makes it a little better.
It's sketchy, but it's better than what it was. So we're going with that. So he's gonna put that on and we'll see where that goes from there. We're waiting for tomorrow for the glow plugs. So tonight we're just getting the lines hooked back up and put the top of the machine back together a little bit. We'll go from there. So we got the hoses in. Man, what a pain in the ass that became. Not that we're too surprised by that, but so those 2 hoses, well, you can't really see, but right there, go all the way over and then back down underneath, way down in there, you can kind of see them shiny ones. So those are all back in. That took way too many hours, but we got it all done. So we are going to call it a night. We're waiting on the, what are we waiting on? We're waiting on the glow plugs. So it will be time to get those tomorrow morning, put the glow plugs in, and should be good to go. At that point, we're shutting down all the fans. It gets pretty freaking warm out here. So between this one little window AC unit and some fans, you can keep it pretty nice in here. He keeps not putting the freaking remote away though. He keeps putting it in places like that isn't the place. It's gonna get lost. Mark my words. We'll come back to this. I'll save this footage. But yeah, alright, so that's what we're gonna do. Get this hopefully out of here and handled and not leaking and doing this thing anymore. So we'll check in with you tomorrow.